Hi students, here I will demonstrate the K-map simulator in VLab. By using this simulator, you can easily practice the minimization of Boolean functions in SOP form with or without DonKS. So for this, first go to the website www.vlab.co.in. So it will open the site. It is an initiative of MHRD, and bottom of this page you can see the different branches from this computer science and engineering. So it will display the different labs under computer science and engineering. From this, select computer architecture and organization lab. Click on this. So here you can see the experiment tab. Click on the experiment tab. So it will display the different experiments under this computer organization virtual lab. From this, select the second last experiment, that is Karnaugh map. Click on this. So this will open the Karnaugh map experiment. So here you can see the simulator. So click on the simulator button. So it opens the simulator window. Okay, this is the simulator window. So from this, so in this window you can see the random example button and reset button, and also you can select the number of input variables, allow DonKS, it may be yes or no, and also hide result yes or no. Okay, so first you select the number of input variables. Suppose the number of input variable is equal to 3. So here it display the Karnaugh map, 3 variable Karnaugh map. Okay, so allow don't care yes or no. So first I will select don't care no. Suppose you select don't care yes, you can give don't care yes in this Karnaugh map. Okay, so here it is no. Then hide result means when you select hide result yes, it will display the result, it will hide the result, that means y is equal to hidden. Suppose you select it no, that means here you can see the result. Okay, so to practice this, first you select hide result yes. Okay, then random example and reset button reset the K-map. Then random example gives you some random example. So first I click the random example. Here there are 3 ones in 3 squares. Okay, then again click random example, you can see another random example. Okay, so the difference in K-map that displayed here and that we have studied earlier is that in this case this square is 0, decimal equivalent is 0, this one is 1, and here it is 5. We studied that here it is 3. Okay, then in this simulator here it is 4, but we studied that here it is 2. Then here 2, here it is 3. So in our K-map here it is 4, 5. Okay, then 7, 6. So the K-map is somewhat different that we have studied earlier. So don't bother about that. Just check whether in which square 1 is there. Okay, here 1 is in the column, in the squares 1, 2 and 7. Okay, 1, 2 and 7. That means the expression is sigma m of 1, 2, 7. Okay, here it is 1 in the square 1, square 2 and square 7. Okay, so the expression is sigma m 1 to 7. Okay, draw the K-map in your own way. That means you studied that K-map is like this. So here it is A, B, C, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Here it is 0, 1. Okay, so this is 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6. So you mark 1, 4, the square 1, 2 and 7. Then perform grouping, and after grouping check the answer with the simulator. Okay, here click no. So you can see the grouping and also the answer. Okay, check how many groups are there. So here there are single groups of 3 single groups. Okay, so in your answer also there must be 3 single groups. Okay, then check the answer. Here it will display the answer. Here this symbol represents OR operation. Okay, this symbol also OR operation. Okay, so another example, suppose we have a 4 variable K map. Here also somewhat different. Here it is 0, here it is 1, 5, 4. Okay, in our case it is 3, 2. So here it is 2, 3, 7, 6. That's also different from we studied earlier. Then 10, 11, 15, 14, that is same. Then 0, 9, 13, 12, that is also different. Okay, select a random example. So first you hide the result, random example. Then find out which all minterms are 1. So here ones in squares 0, 2, 7, 10, 11, 15, 14, then 9 and 12. Okay, so that means our expression is sigma m of 0 to 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15. Okay, so draw the K map. So here you have values AB, variables A, B, C, D, then 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, here it is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, then here we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, then mark ones, minterms 0, 2, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15. Okay, next we can do the mapping. So here there is a quad, then here we have a pair, then here we have a pair, then here also one pair like this, then here also one pair like this. That means one quad and how many pairs? 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs. Okay, so check with your simulator. Here select no, so you can see the grouping. So here one quad, then 4 pairs, then here is the answer. So find the answer of your grouping and check with your answer in the simulator. Okay, and also instead of this random example, you can reset this by clicking reset button. So instead of using random example, you can select the values yourself by clicking the cell. So when you click the cell, it is equal to 1. When you click the cell, it is equal to 1, like this. Okay, then perform mapping and check your result. You can also allow don't cares. To allow don't cares, click yes. Okay, then first select hide result yes, then first click on the cell, it will become 1, again click it, then it will become don't care. Okay, so first click 1, again click it will become don't care. So like that you can select the cell as 1 or don't care. Okay, then do the mapping and check your answer with hide result no. Okay, so you can practice this K-map with number of input variables up to 8 using this simulator. Okay, thank you.